very good morning to all. It is a pleasure to be with you, from my Economy and Finance channel. I hope you are feeling very well and are ready to acquire new knowledge in this very important field. Today we will talk about what a company is, and its relationship with production, costs and profits. These are fundamental elements of the business economy and their interaction is essential for the survival and success of any company. Let's start. Let's start by defining what a company is. A company is an organization that is dedicated to the production of goods and services in order to obtain profits. Businesses can be owned by one or several people and can vary in size and scope. Some companies are small and local, while others are large and have a global presence. Production is the process by which goods and services are created. Production may involve transforming raw materials into finished products or providing services to customers. Production can be manual or automated and may require different levels of skill and technology. Costs are the expenses incurred in the production of goods and services. Costs may include the costs of materials, labor, energy, and other resources used in production. Costs may also include company overhead expenses, such as administrative staff salaries, marketing and advertising costs, and research and development expenses. Profits are the income obtained from the sale of goods and services after deducting costs. Profits are essential for the survival and growth of any company. Profits can be used to reinvest in the company, pay dividends to shareholders, or pay taxes. The relationship between the company, production, costs and profits is fundamental to business economics. The company aims to produce goods and services to obtain profits. To achieve this objective, the company must produce goods and services efficiently, minimizing production costs. Efficient production can be achieved through the implementation of advanced technologies, improvement of production processes and training of personnel. Minimizing production costs can also be achieved through supply chain optimization and proper inventory management. Profits are maximized when the company can sell its products and services at a price higher than its production costs. The sales price should reflect the value perceived by customers. Furthermore, it is important for companies to understand the relationship between costs and benefits at different stages of production and the product life cycle. For example, at the introduction stage of a new product, research and development and marketing costs may be high and profits may be low. However, as the product gains market acceptance, costs may decrease and profits may increase. Another important aspect to consider is the relationship between the company and its suppliers. Proper management of supplier relationships can help reduce production costs and improve product quality. Companies may also consider outsourcing certain functions to reduce costs. In addition, companies must also consider the relationship between long-term costs and benefits. For example, companies may choose to invest in sustainable technologies and production practices to reduce long-term costs and improve their brand image and reputation. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell, giving it a like, and sharing with friends and family, so they can benefit from our economic information and our financial tips.